Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, 9:10 a.m. Just want to show the performance stats of the past 2 days for this trading combine. We will refresh the page so you know it's not a screenshot here. And then we're going to get into pre-market plan right after this. All right, there we go. Day 1, obviously, well, day 0, 150. Day 2, $2,259 profit. And day 3, $2,116 profit. Total right here. And then we're going to go into TopstepX, and obviously you guys will see the same thing here. Balance. With that being said, I have my chart marked out. I have my supply, I have my demand zones, my key areas in between, and I'm going to make the pre-market plan right now off of that. Pre-market plan is done. We have about another 10 minutes still open. I'm just going to check in the trading floor, make sure all the traders are ready, see if they have any questions. All right, what's up, everybody? I just want to say I messed up my explanation again with the mic problem, but initially, October 8th, I failed the challenge. Now I'm taking full responsibility of it, but if you can look here, this is where I failed right here. If a lot of you were in or saw this, or even trading on TopstepX platform, somehow on a challenge that my max loss was allowed to be $4,500, I ended up losing $9,700. So that goes with insane slippage. It was an 11-point slippage, which is massive on ES. Usually my stop losses are 2 points or around there for ES. So it was an 11-point slippage, and I lost $9,700, I believe. And everything was delayed for about 20 seconds. So far every day I've been having fill issues. Very slight, couple ticks, whatever it's been on TopstepX, but this was insane. I know slippage always occurs, especially with a move like this. It happened within seconds. Slippage would usually occur 2 ticks, 6 ticks, anything along those lines, but not 44 ticks on ES. With that being said, I am moving on to the next trade. I'm not letting that affect everything. It already happened. Move on to the next one, being upset, being annoyed about it, even though it is annoying since the whole challenge, I guess, initially has failed on day 2. Still pushing through, redoing it, and that's it. At the end of the day, I traded the combine. I chose TopstepX. I chose to be in a trade at that moment. I pressed the buy and sell button. Take responsibilities for your actions as a trader, and you'll see your trading gets a lot better instead of blaming the market or some other things. You, the trader, are in control. All right, she's fresh, she's crisp, she's clean. Let's get on to this pre-market plan. Hopefully we can take 1 to 2 trades max, and we're going to be done. All right, pre-market plan is up. We have about 6 minutes to open. We're gonna wait here a little bit, talk to some of the members. If you ever have any questions about the pre-market plans, want to see how they panned out and how they worked out that day. On a full day aspect, most of the time I post them in the trading floor in the free lobby. So you can see with this pre-market plan, this 20,300, I want to see a hold of it. Early morning shorts, obviously we want this 20,300 here to fail. That happened, just happened a little too early here, happened 3 minutes before. So we're just going to wait. We're going to wait for the bottom side of view out, the bottom side of 20,250, or we're going to look for support in here. E is coming into demand at the same exact time. Nice confluence here. That perfect level that we have inside demand, along with that perfect level on NQ with that 20,250 and VWAP area confluence. This morning profile in here, it's only 10:23, so it didn't take much time off. We got this nice wick back of buyers in here from the original plan, in here to the bottom here, all the way to supply. Even with that, very choppy markets, especially after 9:45, which I do not like to trade in, as everyone knows. If you have a small stop loss like I do, especially with a high volatility, there's almost no winning. No matter which way you go, no matter which way the market goes, if you're in chop, you're not getting on the bottom side of the candles, which goes against normal psychology and how the brain works. You'd rather chase something than look for the opposite move to go the other way. Very, very hard to trade. Seeing a small fight in here between sellers and buyers, as you can see on the delta prints in there.
Order filled.
Take 3. Just on ES's weakness here.
Order filled.
Right into supply here. See a little confluence. ES top. NQ right into supply.
Order filled.
Alright, gonna try again here.
Order filled.
I bought one back because ES is touching 5810, which is a key area.
Order filled.
Jesus.
Order filled.
No, I'm done. It's all market manipulation. With this crazy market manipulation. Chop. These are not the conditions to trade in. I might call it here, which is pretty crappy, $158. What's that gonna do? I'll see if I can get a second setup. I don't want to long the market all the way up here. Those going against the trend here.
Order filled.
Insane manipulation here. You guys can see these delta prints. It's making no sense here. As soon as we get somewhat in here, I'm moving to break even, and trade is going to be either all the way back down or nothing.
Order filled. Order filled.
Thank you with this resistance here. Let's see it. Just spotted it when I switched charts.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
When I see something I really like, I like to size up very heavy for it, obviously, especially in a combine or something like that. So let's see if we can see some drops here. Go.
Order filled.
Pulling 5 out there.
Order filled.
Another 5 out there.
Order filled.
Doing another move here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice.
Order filled. Order filled.
Awesome. Absolutely awesome. 58.20 target. Hit. I should have kept all the cons, but didn't want that low of day to become a second high, a higher low, and I didn't want to get a short squeeze in here underneath. That's why you saw a little buyback. But people buying back thinking it was going to be a short squeeze actually fueled it lower. Done for the day. 2,800. Take that. I will hopefully finish the combine tomorrow on day 5. It'll also be Friday, which would be a nice day to end the week. Alright guys, something to just quickly notice. My take profit was 58.20. Like I said, it's not a coincidence. It's going to pre-market plan, going to levels I see on book maps. You can see we hit 58.1975, which is obviously one tick away, and then now we start to rally all the way back to the previous key area that we had. Good morning everybody, it is day 5 of the challenge here. We are up 7,580 bucks. I'm looking to finish this challenge either today or Monday. If it comes today, awesome. If not, 1 extra day, 2 extra days. Just going to manage risk here so I don't trade on tilt and I don't give away all these profits that I made the past 2 days. Pre-market plan is here, perfectly made, NQ and ES. I made it at 9:03 a.m. right here. And I'm actually in a pre-market trade, which is very rare for me. Got in right here. Original stop loss was $225, I believe. Okay, original stop loss was $135, my bad. So, just gonna let this thing ride. I will add to it if we start to see more weakness come market open. And my take profit is all the way down here. Going to pre-market plan, like I said. I expect for this key zone to get hit. If we start to see some weakness, we can see a full day move of weakness into this 1 hour demand before any pullback. That is my theory. We're either looking for something like this to come back, or we're looking for a break to the bottom side, right? I'm going to see if I can catch this, full move. I obviously only need $2,800, so if I start to aggressively add, I'm not looking for anything more than that. So if I add, a good amount, and I get down to here and I'm in $2,800 in profit, there's no point for me to stick to plan because I don't need to make more. So
Order filled.
all right, 2 there. As you can see, that stop loss comes up drastically. We can break these lows early morning. That'd be so nice. There we go. Keep on chugging down. Nice. Gonna check on ES here, see where we are. Still making higher lows on ES. Waiting for some small pullback here.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm 1 count out right there. Actually, I need less than that. I need $1,000. I need $1,800, not $2,800. My bad. I need a $9,000 win. So I'm almost done with this combine right here. Pre-market on a Friday, which is very nice. Just double check, make sure. If that's the case, I'm gonna add aggressively and just scalp this. Get it done before 9:35. Hopefully that'll be nice. 59. 77 extra. Alright, so I'm going to try to make $9,077 as the total. $9,080, I guess. I think I'd be down here for that. Just add here for next little swipe
Order
down.
filled.
This is the touch of that key area that I need to.
Order filled.
Wow. Alright. I said 9,080. 40 cents away, so that's perfect. I want to show this here too. Nice touch on that key zone. You can see on a 1-minute chart. Perfect touch on my key area for a possible reversal to then rally. And look at that rally. Here you can see a little bit better in TopstepX. Right on that touch. Alright. Day 5 done by 9:31 a.m. Not too shabby. You can see a big inversion between ES and NQ here. Massive inversion. The plan was for ES to touch this demand in here and then rally to this point. We obviously missed that touch, but next plan is either to long off of this, looking for supply, or short here, or short for a ceiling here. Alright guys, episode 2 is done. We are passed with the combine. Episode 3 will be the XFA, probably the 5 days of the XFA, whatever it is, to get payout. Stay tuned for every bit. I give away a lot of information, a lot of knowledge throughout these videos. My explanations of the market, of the order flows, the pain and gain, everything that I personally use to trade. You also get a glimpse of me, who I am. Do not forget to join the Discord if you're not in already. Even the lobby, stop in, say hi. Let me know you came in from YouTube or Topstep. With that being said, don't forget, manage risk, have a good risk to reward, and be a wise trader.